Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on this 2018 GMC Sierra 3500, and my plan for today's episode is completely finish this body work on those fenders. I got my supplies. Here's my supplies: liquid body, clear coat, reducer, paint, and the epoxy primer. I'm fully set to complete this body work, and also I wanted to prime it today. And if I'll have enough time, I'm gonna jump on the bed and gonna try to align it, cut all those holes for the fifth wheel, gooseneck, and we'll try get the rear bumper together so the rear end would be completely done. But before I continue working on those fenders, I need to cover this windshield so any body filler dust doesn't go inside. I am finally done with this side. It's completely prepared, 80 grit and 180 and 320. This fender is smooth as baby, but you can see it turned out great. Not a lot of bundle here. Yes, there is some, but it's not a whole lot. I make sure I knock it down the most I can. I also went ahead and sent everything with the 320, all the metals. So now it's ready for a primer, and then it's ready to be painted. You can see all the lines matches, everything looks great. Basically all I have to do is prime it. Let's go on the other side and repeat the same process. The other side should take me a lot less time, because there's only top section, and then I'll go with the 320 DA whole fender, and basically that's it. That's it, this side is also completely done. I sent this paint with the 320 all the way to here, and also sent this metal where I sandblasted with the 320. Now it looks smooth also, and as you can see, it shines really good. Over here everything looks good also. Now I'm ready to mix the primer, mask everything off, and start priming. That's it, guys. Everything is taped out. This side is completely done. So is this side right here. Everything is taped out over here also. That's plenty enough for me covering it so the overspray doesn't get everywhere. Also, I'm shooting the primer at low PSI. Now I need to wax and grease both those fenders, mix the primer and start applying it since everything is ready. That's it, primer is mixed, everything is ready. Let's start applying primer on those fenders. First layer is done. I'll let it sit and cure for a little before I can start applying second coat. That's it, I'm completely done with the bodywork. As you can see, it's primed, it's guide coated, this side and other side. This is another long day. Let's see. It's already 12:13 of January 24th, which is basically AM right now. I started on 23rd though. The body works always takes that long. I just want to knock it down and forget about it. I was gonna try and do the bed also and whole rear end, but these two fenders took me all day to do it. But it is what it is at this point. Those fenders came out really nice. I really like it how they came out. The primer laid down really good also. There's no runs, so it's gonna be a lot easier to sand it down, and it's gonna be also a lot quicker. So guys, at this point I'm gonna have to call it a day and gonna have to end up this episode over here. I know it's gonna be short, and the reason for that, because I want to do the episode separately for the rear end and also disassemble front doors and paint the gems as in one episode. So that's what's gonna be in next episode. But today, thank you for stopping by. As usual, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss any cool stuff I do on the channel. Also, follow me on Instagram to see inside scoop there before YouTube. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.